The air we breathe matters. That's why maintaining clean ducts is essential for a healthier home. At Atlantic Duct Cleaning, we've been trusted in the Capital Region for over 30 years. Our team ensures a deep, effective clean with industry-leading tools. Cleaner air, improved efficiency, a healthier home. We don't just clean, we optimize. Our AeraSeal technology seals hidden leaks. See the results for yourself with our before and after photos and detailed reports. Experience the difference. Schedule your service today at AtlanticDuctCleaning.com.